just finished track work.
Yeah, I wrapped it all up. Right on time.
31st Maria LaRosa is here with today's forecast. So we are enjoying what we can get today.
Yes, yes. And I'm here to just squash all of your springtime dreams. Yeah, we do have some messy weather headed our way by the time we start tomorrow morning. Right now, though, it is dry. It is warmer for sure, and it's above freezing. 34 right now at Central Park. We're sitting at 30 in Islip with low clouds, and we are definitely below freezing in the teens from Clinton, Sussex, and Poughkeepsie. So watch for any of the melting that happened yesterday to be some icy spots this morning. And on top of that, there may be some fog. I'm keeping an eye on the south shore of Long Island, but also seeing some visibility reduced here central and south Jersey. Belmar about 3/4 mile. And again, with temperatures close to or just below freezing in spots, we'll watch for any slick areas. Otherwise, yeah, it's going to be a pretty gray day. We don't get the sunshine with the little bit of a warm up. 40 degrees at 1 o'clock. We'll be in the low 40s through this evening, and then by overnight tonight, we'll start to see some of those showers approach. All right, Adele, any slow spots out there?
Yeah, your Metro North is actually a bit slow right now, at least the Pascack Valley line. All other rails, though, are in great shape. And we're going to check out the roadways now. Route 25 out on Long Island both ways between Englewood Avenue and Route 111 is shut down until 6 a.m. for snow removal. If you're making your way into New Jersey right now on 36 northbound, all lanes are shut down there between Beachway and Seabright Bridge. The southbound side, though, will be taking two-way traffic. And as a reminder, your outbound lower level George Washington Bridge, all lanes are still shut down for construction. Inbound lanes have reopened, and that upper deck is moving along just fine both ways. Darlene, back to you.
Adele, thanks so much.
In our real cold temperatures, let's check in with Maria.
We do, but just enough out there. We're seeing a little sheen on the Staten Island Expressway. Some melting yesterday. Just watch for some slick spots. A lot of areas close to or just below freezing, and even seeing some fog. So generally gray day, but we do get that warm up, at least relatively speaking, right? Into the low 40s by later on today, and we're pretty close to that through the overnight, and that's when we start to see those rain showers arrive. So warmer today and tomorrow. Rain steady, kind of a miserable day tomorrow, but by tomorrow night and Friday, with that frigid air moving in, it is that wintry mess. Still looking at freezing rain and sleet, a real problem. What the latest outlook is for how things will play out here in that 10-day forecast.
Maria, thank you. And coming up, and if you're hopping onto your Metro North Pascack Valley, as a reminder, we're still seeing those delays both ways. All other rail lines are in great shape. Heading out to Long Island, Route 25 Main Street, both ways shut down. Englewood Avenue to Route 111 until 6 a.m. for snow removal. And here's a live look.
I mean, we've all been hangry, but calm down.
No.
Can't have that.
No, we need to be nicer to each other.
I agree.
On all levels. All right. Well, the weather's not going to be that nice. As I transition to the forecast here, it's going to be a mess, actually. And you see this elongated area of wintry mess from Canada back through Texas. This is the cold front that's going to give us a headache come Friday morning, really starting tomorrow morning. But look at the winter weather alerts, too, the storm warnings back through parts of the Southwest. So we are in for it. Let's get you through it. Right now, it's just a lot of low clouds, but the warm-up has continued. So we have that. The view from Earth though, showing that low cloudiness here. So watch for some patchy fog, maybe some mist, and with temperatures close to or even in some areas just below freezing, got to watch for some of those icy or slick spots on the roadways. At Central Park, though, it's 34 degrees. Everyone getting a chance to get into the 40s today. So some melting from Islip and Eastport, Bridgeport, Poughkeepsie, Sussex, Trenton, and Clinton, all in that category. But by tonight and into tomorrow morning, so this time tomorrow morning, you see all of the green. It is going to be rain pretty much all day, steady showers through the evening hours, and temperatures in the 40s, so pretty miserable. By tomorrow night, you see that shade of pink. That's the problem. That's the sleet and the freezing rain, and it may sit over northern New Jersey, the Hudson Valley, into Connecticut, near the city for several hours. That's the problem, where you could get that ice accumulation. Just north of there, looking at the blue, few hours of snowfall. Monticello, Poughkeepsie, right on the edge there. You may get a couple of inches of snowfall before all of this begins to come on down with that cold air by tomorrow evening. So big heads up. This forecast will change. We know it's going to be warmer tomorrow with that cold front arriving on Friday. As with any winter system, timing is everything with that cold air. So that could affect the amount of ice we're talking about. Regardless, it's going to be messy. By Saturday,
we are hopping onto your subways. D trains heading southbound. We've got some delays that's just popped up. Our roadways also hitting a few issues here out on Long Island. 25 Main Street both ways will be shut down. Englewood Avenue out to Route 111 until 6 a.m. This is for snow removal. As you make your way a little further west here into Queens, LIE westbound by Maurice Avenue, exit 18. We've got an accident that's just popped up. It's actually not causing too much of a heavy backup as of right now, but of course you want to be a little extra careful if you're going to head around through the area. Also, Verrazano Bridge, lower level both ways, is shut down for construction as well. And here's a live look outside now onto the Alexander Hamilton Bridge. Traffic still pretty quiet, heading both ways. And as a reminder, if you are going to be driving around today, alternate side parking rules are suspended, but meter rules are still in effect. Michael, Darlene, back to you.
Adele, thank you so much. It is 2033. We'd all be 98 years old.
I know. I did it. When I heard it, I'm like, that sounds really far away.
I thought I was doing the math wrong. I was like, I feel like it's not that far.
It's not that far, no, just a few years off. Yes,
it sounds far
We
away.
should mention we have our own Staten Island Chuck. One
We
of our
do.
producers named Chuck from
Chuck
Staten
Timoteo.
Island, who we love very much. I don't know if you're going to bring him out to predict early spring or not.
He comes out of the editing room.
I think it's mean. I'm going to let him, think about things and sleep in when he's ready. He's